It's just so pleasing the way they wrap it. I love it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, me too, welcome. My name is Chloe and today I'm going to film a Zara haul. So I'm in and around about this for quite a while. I did a little poll up on my Instagram story whether you guys are buying stuff still during this lockdown, and the majority of you said yes, and if it continues you guys are still saying that you're going to. If you're like me, I love shopping. Shopping gives me like a little boost. Like, I love knowing that there's parcels on the way, so I'm using that as an excuse, as a little pick-me-up. I had some birthday money that I wanted to spend and I decided to head on over to Zara. So I'm not usually one to shop at Zara because I'm a size 12, 14, and it's been many times that I've been in the Zara changing room and you hear that rip and you're like,
right, what am I going to do now? I'm going to have to go tell the sales assistant that I'm stuck in the thing. I literally am going to spend the rest of my life in a stupid white dress that I don't even like.
And Zara isn't the first place I think of when I think I want to buy some new stuff, but I really wanted to treat myself with my birthday money, so let's jump in. So I only got a few things, and this first thing that I've got is this lovely little skirt. It is black and white polka dots, and in the back you can see it's shorts, but in the front it just looks like a little skirt. I absolutely love this. I saw it on the model, I was like, oh my god, that's so cute. I got it in a medium and it does not look very generous at all, so I am crossing my fingers that it fits. And it was $25.99, which is quite expensive, but I think this is quite timeless. Like, I tend to stick to the stuff from Zara on the lower end of the price scale, like the up to $19.99, but I saw this and I literally couldn't resist. It's so beautiful. Literally. Is it gonna do up? That is the main question. Please bear with me because this is the first time I've tried to film some try on clips, and this is the background that we've got to work with, so bear with me while I get used to it. Obviously you can see they're a bit tight and they're also very see-through, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna size up in these to a large, and then I'm going to try and sew just some lining in them so they're not see-through. I think the way that the frills cut make them really flattering. They're not too short and I love these. Okay, next up, if you guys have been following me on Instagram for a while, you know that I bought a few pairs of denim shorts from Zara a while ago. I'll pop a picture here. I did wear them, but I really can't remember why, but I think I returned them because I can't find them anywhere. So I bought this pair, and for 20 quid, I'm really impressed with that price point. They're just these classic washed blue denim shorts, and they've got the little frayed hem at the bottom. I really like these. I remember that they were quite generous with the length, so I'm going to try these on. I got them in a 12, and like I said, 20 quid, you can't really go wrong. Oh no, I've just realised that they're buttoned up. I absolutely hate jeans that are buttoned up. I don't know why, but I just hate them. I would rather just give me a zip. Just give me a zip. Okay, they fit, and I hate them. They're just too tight. I just feel like if I wear these for a full day, I will end up cutting off the circulation to my legs. They are a lovely wash and I really do like the rips, but they're just not the right fit for my body, which is kind of annoying, but it's okay. They're also pretty short. Like last year I didn't remember them being this short. I'm definitely going to send these back, which is a bit annoying, but also if I didn't want to send them back enough, I hate the button up fastening. I just hate it. I don't think you can actually see how small this is, but this is the next item. I got this one in 3 different colours. It is this lovely little ribbed vest top with these spaghetti straps, and how much was it? £4.99, a fiver for this lovely lilac colour. I got it in the lilac, and then I got it in a blue, and then also a white, because you see this is a Zara bodysuit. I also got this as well because I have one already, but I'm literally wearing it non-stop. Like, it will go in the wash and then I wait for it to come out the wash and then I wear it, and then it will go in the wash and then I wait. So I decided to buy myself another one, the exact same, because I just love it. It's just a classic bodysuit with the double layer. It's so flattering and I just love it. But I thought these would be similar to, like, they're just so simple. They're just gonna go with everything. Like, you could dress them up or dress them down. So I got them in a medium and they look absolutely tiny, so I'm gonna try them on and see how we get on. This is the bodysuit on. I literally wear this with everything. If you follow me on Instagram, I wear it with jeans, but I also wear it with joggers. It's so comfy, just to make yourself look like you've put in an effort, but you're actually wearing loungewear. I love it. It's got the little second bit of material underneath the boob bit, so it gives you a bit of support. I am wearing a strapless bra with it, but I am more than happy to wear no bra with this because it really gives me the little boost that I need. When we're allowed back out, I don't think you will go one day without seeing someone wearing one of these. Oh, I'm really disappointed in this little top. Just look at it in the viewfinder. I don't really like how it fits. These straps are literally doing nothing for me. I think it might be because the seam of the bra, even though it's tight, it's not giving me any support. Okay, I've just put on my little lilac cardigan from Nasty Gal, and I don't hate it, but it's just a bit annoying that I wouldn't feel comfortable wearing it just as it is. I thought it would be a piece, but when it gets really hot, I would be happy to wear just as it is, but I don't think I will. It's kind of nice with the little lilac cardigan underneath. I don't know, I just feel like it accentuates this little bit here, which I don't really like. I'm really disappointed, and I absolutely hate it even more without a bra. Just, they're so simple, but I just think they're too simple. Like, they don't do anything for my body shape, so I do not think that I'm going to keep these. I thought they were going to be a winner. That's why I got them 3 colours. And then finally, this was why I made the whole order, because I think I saw this on Instagram, and every single year Zara have some beautiful florals that they bring out, and I'm always like, oh no, I won't really wear it, so what's the point in me buying it? But I saw this. She's just beautiful. Like, imagine her, you're wearing her in pub garden when all of this is over with a little drink in your hand. I also got this in a medium, but I think I should have gone for a large because it is quite short. Then again, if I go for a bigger size, the puffy sleeves will be too puffy, so I don't really know. But it's just this beautiful floral print on this white. It's kind of like embossed. I know that's really strange, but if I come in closer, you can see it. But I just think this is absolutely beautiful. With jeans, you can dress it up or dress it down. I love a piece that you can mix and match. This was on the pricey side, $25.99. Like I said, I usually stick to the lower end, but because I had some birthday money, I really love this and I wanted to treat myself. I think I'm in love. I absolutely adore this little top. It's so nice. To be honest, it has got a lot of stretch. I think I could have got away with sizing down to a small, which really makes no sense considering I didn't even fit into the other medium top, but it's fine. I absolutely love the details. It looks so nice with the blue. I just think it complements it really well. This is defo a jeans and a nice top. I love it! I'm just wearing a strapless bra, but I think you can get away with a normal bra with this. Like, I thought the square neck would be a lot deeper, but it's not, and it is just lovely. So, I'm not impressed with the shorts. I thought that they were going to be a winner, but the fact that they're just so uncomfortable, I'm not going to keep them. I'm really annoyed. The little spotty one, I think that's really sweet, but it's annoying that it's see-through. The floral top, I absolutely love it. I think it will look so nice with the high-waisted jeans like I styled it. And obviously this racer neck bodysuit I also love and will wear over and over again. So if you're like me and you're like a size 12, 14 and you don't really shop in Zara, please, please, please don't get hung up on the sizes. I couldn't fit in the size 12 shorts, but then I happily fit into a size medium top. These jeans I'm wearing right now from New Look, these are a size 10. So high street sizing literally means absolutely nothing, so please don't get hung up on sizes. If you like a piece of clothing and it's a size 18, wear it. Cut the label out, wear it. Honestly, the size on the back of the clothing means nothing. So I hope you enjoyed that little haul. I also have an ASOS one coming in next week with a lot of stuff that I also don't need, but it's fine. I know a lot of you will be new and watching me that don't subscribe, so I would really, really, really appreciate if you could subscribe, give this video a like, comment what your favourite thing is, if you're going to buy anything, I'd love to know. I'll leave all the products in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!